In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Microsoft Forms, working with Likert questions. A Likert question is perfect when you want respondents to rate a series of statements on the same scale, like from strongly agree to strongly disagree, so you can compare answers consistently across multiple items. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your web browser. You'll land on the design page where you create and manage forms. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your work is saved to your account. From here, choose whether you want a new form or a new quiz. A standard form is great for surveys and feedback. A quiz includes scoring features which you can ignore if you're only gathering opinions. Either option supports Likert questions, so pick the one that fits your overall project. Inside your new form or quiz, select Add New, then open the small drop-down arrow next to the common question types and choose Likert. This inserts a grid-style question. Statements run down the left and your scale runs across the top. At the top of the Likert block, enter the main question or theme. Think of this as the context-setting headline, like please rate your experience with our service. Keep it clear and neutral so respondents understand what they're evaluating. Next, add the specific items you want people to rate. These are the individual statements under the main theme, such as ease of use or response time. Use simple single idea statements and be consistent in wording so each one can be rated the same way. If it helps, group similar concepts together to create a smooth flow. Now define your scale. Replace the default labels with wording that matches your scenario, like very satisfied to very dissatisfied, or strongly agree to strongly disagree. Keep the direction consistent. If the left side is positive, make sure it stays positive for all statements, so respondents aren't forced to reinterpret the options each time. Choose labels that are evenly spaced in meaning to produce clean, comparable data you can customize further. Select Add Statement to include more items as needed. If a statement needs context or a brief explanation, open the three-dot menu and add a subtitle to clarify what respondents should consider, without making the main statement too long. Finally, turn on the required toggle at the bottom of the Likert block if you want to ensure every statement receives a response. This helps prevent gaps in your data and makes comparison across items more reliable. That's it. You've set up a clear, consistent Likert question in Microsoft Forms, ready to capture structured feedback you can trust.